1. Force TCP instead of UDP. The patcher sometimes fails on unstable UDP connections. Open the Path of Exile 2 shortcut properties. In the target field, add at the end, you can see the code in our conversation history. Apply changes and restart the launcher. 2. Repair game files. Open the Path of Exile 2 launcher. Look for Repair or Verify Integrity. If using Steam, right-click Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. This re-downloads corrupted patch files that can cause disconnects. 3. Flush and renew network config. Run these commands in command prompt admin one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC and relaunch the game. 4. Switch to a different patch gateway. Path of Exile 2 often routes through specific gateways. In the launcher settings, choose another gateway server region, e.g. from Frankfurt, Texas. This bypasses overloaded patch servers. 5. Temporarily disable background programs, close downloaders, torrents, Discord overlays, or apps that use bandwidth. Some overlays, MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, GeForce Experience Overlay, may interfere with the patcher. Disable them and retry. 6. Run compatibility mode. Right-click pathofexile.exe, Properties, Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8.7. Also check Run as administrator. 7. Manual patch download last resort. If patching repeatedly fails, delete the incomplete patch files from the content.ggpk.temp folder inside installation. Relaunch and the game will re-download the patch cleanly. Pro tip: if servers are overloaded, especially after a new update, these fixes won't help immediately. In that case, wait 15 to 30 minutes and retry. Connection failures are often temporary during peak load.